Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Data with Gopal. In today's class, we are going to learn about Cloud AI. Cloud is a powerful artificial technology assistant that can help with many tasks such as writing, learning, coding, and any analyzing information and much more. Wait, I will show you the PPT. So this is the PPT for Cloud AI. So what is Cloud AI? Cloud is a large land-based model (LLM). It was created by Anthropic company, and it works as a conversational AI assistant for questions, writing, analysis, coding, and more. You can interact with the cloud using natural language prompts. Cloud is available on web, desktop, and mobile. Okay, so this is the Cloud AI. So Claude is a powerful artificial technology assistant that can help us with many tasks such as writing, learning, coding, and analyzing information and much more. So let's understand Cloud AI step by step. Okay. So what is Cloud AI? First, let's understand what Cloud AI is. Cloud AI is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic company. Anthropic. See, I will show you the company also here. So this is the Anthropic company. I hope you guys can visual this snipping tool. Okay. Okay. So first let's understand what Claude AI is. Claude AI is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic company. I have already said to you guys, right? It works similar to other AI assistants. We can ask Cloud questions using normal language, and Cloud can provide useful answers. For example, we can ask like what is Power BI. Let me show you the Cloud AI tool here. So in the new tab, I just open Cloud AI and just type in Cloud AI, and after this press enter. Okay, it will show some sites, but don't open these slides, guys, because this is a chatbot app, and this is use AI. So don't use this. You should use only for, see here, come down and see here cloud.com. So you should open this one only, Cloud. Okay, and it will open in the new tab. Just wait 2 seconds, it will open. So this is the Cloud AI, guys. So it is asking how can I help you to type for skills. You can ask any question, guys. Like suppose, see here, I will ask what is Power BI. So what is Power BI? Then it will replace some answers, right? See, Power BI is a business intelligence tool and data visualization tool made by Microsoft. It's used to run raw data from various sources into interactive dashboards, reports, and charts that help people understand trends and make decisions. Here's is a quick breakdown of what it does. Core functions, it will give this core functions is connects to data, transform and then cleans the data, which we have already read in Power BI. I have already told you class, right? So those options only it is shown. Connects to data. It will connects various data sources, and it will transforms and cleans the data. I already said models relationship and visualizes data, shares insights. So and that it gives the key components also. Common use cases. So if you did not understand properly, you can simply ask like I just want to know Power BI in Telugu. Then it will simply answer in Telugu only, guys. Just see. I want no If you did not understand this English, you can simply ask that in your local language days. Not only Telugu, Tamil or Kannada, you can ask any language, okay? In Hindi or anything. See here, Power BI, Power BI, it is shown Telugu script, right? So like this you can learn this. If you learn in your local language, you can better understand it means. Then you can use this language days. It will you can ask any language days like Telugu, Hindi or Tamil or Kannada or Malayalam. Any language you can ask. Okay. Claude AI can explain Power BI in a simple way. We can also ask write a professional email for me. See here I will ask write a professional email for me. It will ask this. It will show some answers. GC here. So it is asking that what is the email about and what is it, who is it going to. Then you can say that you are just asking a leave. I just want some days for leave. Then if you complete the answer, just press enter button. Then it will show the answer is. If it means if it is taking much more time, the answer would be very lengthy. You can assume like this. Okay. See here is a professional leave request. You can customize subject. You can write with your own words and dear and manager name. I am writing the request leave from starting date to end date. Yes, you can simply answer like I want these number of days. X days means like 20 days or 10 days. You can ask leaves. Okay. For personal reasons, I will ensure all my pending work is completed or handed over before I leave, and I will be researchable via email in case of any urgent matters. Please let me know if you need any further information or if there are any concerns regarding in my leave. Thank you for considering my request. So best regards, and you can use your name and you can use your designation here. So the manager can identify that okay, this mail is written by you. Okay. See, it is shown some suggestions also. Just fill in your name, manager's name, dates and number of days. If you are like, tell me the actual dates and reason, vacation, medical, personal, etc. And I will tell it more specifically. It is very simple, right? You can just copy this item and you can paste it in your email. Okay, just copy, and I'm just opening my mailbox and you can paste it there. Email. Okay. See here, you can compose this mail. It is loading. Okay, it is open a new message, right? Here you can represent your manager's mail, and subject means which purpose you are writing this mail. You can type here like leave or something, and here you can paste that text as what I have written here. See here, this one no need, I think so. Subject, you can copy this one and you can paste it in subject box, right? And here dear and Just read once days. If it is okay, then only you can send days. So dear and your manager's name type here, and after that best reports your name. In your name you can write your name days. Like my name is Satyropal, right? So here I'm giving, I can give Satyropal. Remove your name. Okay. Here I can write my name, and here your designation you can write here days. Okay. After you complete it, you can simply send this option. Option is this, you can send this email, then your manager can see the mail, and he can simply reply to the mail. So in this way you can send a mail days without any grammatical mistakes. You can send mail to your superiority, okay? In companies, okay? I'm just saying companies, okay? Okay. Oh, I removed that one. Okay. Wow, write a professional email for me. It is also reflecting, right? Cloud AI can create an email based on our requirements. So cloud can be useful for both personal and professional work. Okay. So now next I just want to explain who developed Cloud AI. Right. Only this PPT. Next, who developed Cloud AI? Cloud AI, I already said, right. This screenshot. This company, it was developed by this company, Anthropic company. Cloud AI was developed by a company called Anthropic. Anthropic focused on developing AI systems that are helpful, reliable, and safe. Cloud is the name of the Anthropic AI assistant. This AI assistant name is Cloud. For that reason, they put the name Cloud AI. Okay. So what can Cloud AI do? Now let's understand what we can do with the Cloud. Cloud AI can help us with. See here, I will write here once. Cloud AI can help us with write write any topics we can write emails or anything we can write and summarizing documents, summarizing summarizing documents and learning new topics. If you want to learn SQL or any languages, you can use this AI tool guys. Learning new topics. You can also learn with your local language guys like Telugu or Tamil. Okay. And generating ideas, you can generate ideas also. And coding, it is also helpful in coding also guys. Coding, okay, and debugging code. And we have written one code in the Java or Python, and if you want, and it is reflecting one error. Just assume this, it is reflecting an error. And if you want to debug that code, you can use this AI assistant tool race. Debugging code in ChatGPT or Gemini also you can use this method yes, but this is the very speed speedy method yes. That's why we can use this AI tool yes, right? Data analysis, it is also helpful in data analysis also. Creating content, creating content, writing emails, writing emails, creating presentations, creating presentations also we can use this AI tool base. And analyzing documents, this is the last method. Analyzing documents, okay. We can upload any documents and we can tell to AI tool that okay, I want to analyze this document, then it will analyze this document state. For example, if you are learning Power BI, you can ask Cloud, explain Power BI in simple English like that you can ask this. See here I will ask, explain Power BI, explain Power BI okay, in simple English. If you type like this, then it will reply C according to this question. So it is explained C. It is not explained lengthy answer. Okay. Power BI is a tool made by Microsoft that helps you turn raw data into easy to understanding visuals like charts, graphs, and dashboards. Okay. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a messy spreadsheet full of sales numbers, customer info, or expenses. It's hard to understand just by looking at rows and columns. Power BI lets you connect your data and turns into the pictures. Bar charts, pie charts, maps, trend lines. So you can quickly see patterns like which products sold best. You can simply ask these questions race. Which product sold best or which month had the most revenue in the Power BI race. I already told to you right in the class in the Power BI desktop it will reflect like Q by a question and answer tool is also there available in the Power BI tool base. So if you click on that, then it will open some window and there you can ask your questions race like which product sold best or which month had the most revenue. Like these questions you can ask race and how it was in simple steps and it will in Power BI tool. So this is the simple steps race. You can use the Power BI like this. See here connect. How we can connect the Power BI in you link Power BI to your data source, Excel file, database, website, cloud app, etc. Transform, you clean up and organize the data, remove errors, rename columns, combine tables, and after that visualize. Your drag and drop fields to build charts and graphs and share. You publish a dashboard or report that others in your company can view. Often update automatically as new data comes in. Simply with an answer like this days. Power BI takes messy data and turns it into clear visual stories you can act on. So for suppose in interview he might ask some question like why we can use Power BI tool. Then you can ask this answer is like this. See, Power BI takes messy data and turns it into clear visual stories we can act on. Okay, like this. Okay. Cloud 8 and provide a beginner friendly explanation. Yes. See how to use Cloud AI. If you ask this question like this, okay. How to use Cloud AI? Now let's see how we can use Cloud AI. Here it is. See, I will just open the Cloud AI website. Just open in the new tab. Actually, in the initially it will ask sign up options also. This. See, Cloud AI. We want Cloud AI, right? Just press enter after this. Okay, and it will reflect some related answers. Yes, Cloud AI. This is a chatbot LLC, but this is chatbot app. Don't ignore these links. Yes, use a not this one also. And here see cloud.com. So you need to open this one. Okay, after you open this, it will reflect. It will reflect cloud. Yes. See afternoon search Pearl. Okay. Here you can ask any question. Yes. Like this you can use cloud AI. Okay. So what we have to do to open Cloud AI means search for Cloud AI in the toolbar. Okay, here in the address bar, search for Cloud AI. Open the official Cloud website and create an account. Actually, initially it will ask some your account details. Yes, at the time you need to give your account details. Okay. After logging in, you will see the Cloud interface. So this is the Cloud interface. Like this, it will open. The main area is where we can type our questions or instructions. This is the main area. Guys. Here you can type your questions or instructions. So these instructions are called prompts. So what is prompts means? Here we will give some prompts, right? Like I just want to learn SQL in 30 days. If you use these prompts, those are called prompts. Then it will reply this. So what is a prompt? A prompt is a simply the instruction or questions that will use given to an AI. Okay. For example, see, explain Power BI for beginner. I am just writing here prompt. Prompt is this one only. Explain Power BI for a beginner. So this is the prompt guys. Or otherwise you can ask like write a professional email requesting leave. That is also prompt. Okay. The better will explain what we need, the more useful that responses can be. Okay. Now I'll explain some practical examples. You can ask any software language, just not only Power BI, and just simply ask this for your understanding. Okay. Now let's try a simple example. I will type like explain Power BI in simple English with a real world example. Then it will show Power BI explain. Here I will type explain Power BI in simple English. Okay. So if you write like this, it will show the wait I will show with a real with a with the real life examples. Okay. If it is shown like this, see it has some error. Okay. Now everything is okay. I'm just type pressing the enter button, guys. Right. So it is reflecting all the about Power BI it is shown. See, Power BI takes messy data like spreadsheets and turns into pictures, charts, graphs. That makes it easy to understand automatically without redoing the work every time. Okay. Real life example also it is shown a small coffee shop owner. Imagine you own a coffee shop every day. You record sales in an Excel sheet, date, item, sold, price, quantity, customer type. After a few months, you have thousands of rows. It's just numbers, hard to make sense of it by eye. So okay, it is very difficult for us to understand with our own eye, right? So it is saying the same thing there. Without Power BI, you had scroll through Excel, maybe made a pivot table, manually update charts every week, and it takes forever. With Power BI, connects your Excel file into Power BI, one-time setup, like plugging in a table. Power BI reads all your data and lets you drag and drop it into charts. Okay. If you, in a few minutes, you generate a bar chart showing which drink sells best, a line graph, a map, a filter button. So you can click match and instantly see with just marks numbers. Okay. Every morning you add yesterday's sales to the Excel file. Power BI automatically refresh the charts. You didn't rebuild anything. It just updates itself. Okay. But for that reason we have to use Power BI days. Why that matters? Instead of guessing, I think let's sell well. You don't know with the picture in front of you exactly which drinks, days, and locations made the most money. That lets you make real decisions, right? Start more caramel syrup, staff up on weekends, maybe close the underperforming locations. Okay, the simplest way to think about it: Power BI equal to Excel smarter present that turns spreadsheets into clear interactive pictures. Okay, and keeps them updated automatically. Want me to show you that what would the would actually look like as a map dashboards, right? So in this way, you can use this Cloud AI days. This is also similar to ChatGPT or Gemini days. If you ask any question, it reflect the corresponding answer days. So Cloud AI will understand the prompt and provide an explanation. We can also ask follow-up questions. For example, explain it in Telugu or give me a simple example. This is one of the useful features of AI assistance days. We can continue the conversation instead of asking everything from the beginning. Okay. Cloud AI for students. Cloud AI can also be useful for students. For example, students can ask, explain this topic in a simple English. They can also ask, give me 10 practice questions on SQL or explain this Python program line by line. So cloud can act like a learning assistant. Okay. However, we should use AI as a learning tool and understand the concepts ourselves. Instead of simply copying the answers, Cloud AI for professionals. Cloud AI can also help working professionals. For example, we can use it to write professional emails, summarize documents, generate ideas, analyze information, create reports, write or explain code, improve business communications. For example, if you are working with Power BI, you can ask estimate that's measured to calculate total sales. Then it will reflect some formula days. Like this is the formula total sales equal to sum of sales, like that it will show answer days. Cloud AI can suggest a formula and explain how it works. Okay. Cloud AI for data analysis. Now I will explain Cloud AI for data analysis. Okay. As a data analyst, we work with tools such as Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python, and Tableau. Right? Cloud can help us understand formulas, queries, code, and concepts. For example, see, write an SQL query to find the top 5 customer by sales. Then it will simply answer the corresponding question raised. Or explain the DAX formula step by step. This can save time and help us learn faster, right? So now I will explain the important points. Okay, here I will write. One important thing we should remember is AI can make mistakes. So we should always verify important information, especially when working with business data, financial information, or other critical information. Okay. Don't blindly copy and use AI generated answers. Okay. Understand the answers first and then use it guys. So finally I'm giving conclusion here. So in today's class we will learn what cloud AI is. Today we have learned what cloud AI is and who developed cloud AI. Who developed cloud AI. These are the questions that we have discussed in today's class days. What cloud AI can do. What cloud AI can do. You can simply answer these questions days in this class only. So it is better to you while we are interviewing. You are giving interview in any companies. Then these answers will use more useful to you guys. And what a prompt is. Today we have discussed what a prompt is, right? And how to ask questions in Cloud AI. Okay, how to ask questions and how Cloud can help students. This is the L. How Cloud can help students and how Cloud can help data analysts. Okay, how it is it helped very much guys. How Cloud can help students right over out loud and help professionals. And how cloud can help data analysts. Data analysts. Okay. So in these are the we have learned these points we have learned today. Okay. Okay. So in the next class we will learn about the Cloud AI interface and how to use prompts effectively. Actually today only we have learned, but in the next class we will learn detailed days in the detail. Okay. With practical examples, I'm saying how to use prompts effectively with practical examples. Okay. If you found this video useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, The Data with Gopal, and share it with your friends. Yes. And thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Thank you. Thanks everyone.